Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now you're watching this video guys because you want to know how to get DoorDash promo codes in 2024, and I'm going to show you just that guys. This is super easy and this is going to get you at least $100 of account credit. Alternatively, you can also get free food on DoorDash using this simple promo code. So let's get into it guys, make sure you follow the instructions, and yeah, let's do this. So let me show you now where you have to go to get your coupon codes for DoorDash. So open up the internet on your phone and go to this website guys, www.speedy, so S-P-E-E-D-Y, coupons, COUPONS.com. So speedycoupons.com. This website, as you can see, specializes in coupon codes and they're pretty cool. I found this a few months ago and I've literally been using pretty much everything on here because you've got all sorts ranging from shopping to games to food. So it's a pretty cool website. You can see there's a trending coupons page with lots on here. Obviously we need to look for the DoorDash coupon page, so go to this search bar and type in here DoorDash, and it should just pop up when you start typing DoorDash. So tap see more. These coupons are somewhat of a limited supply, but they do replenish. So as long as you can find this page on Speedy Coupons, that means there's codes for you to get. Now these are the promo codes available. So there's a $100 DoorDash account credit code, and there is also a get your next 3 DoorDash food orders for free code. So as you can imagine, if you're doing large orders, these 3 food orders will be really beneficial. The $100 will just add $100 to your account and you can spend it as and when you wish. And you can see it's been rated pretty highly by verified users. So how do we get the codes? Choose the code you want. The process is the same regardless what code. So tap to show coupon and you can see this is a $100 DoorDash account credit code, and there is part of the code says door, but we need to unlock the starred out characters. Basically this protects the codes from robots. So tap unlock code. This takes a few seconds. Okay, so you're going to find this screen. This is pretty much the final step to get your code, and we just need to complete 2 of these tasks on this page. They're all completely free, and basically complete 2 of them and it will unlock your code and verify you as a real person. So how do we pass this? We basically read which one. So you can see the top one, there is a description, so fill in your personal details and confirm. So that's like a survey. And then you got games such as Family Island and Coin Master. So let me click in this top one, just complete this survey. This will do one of them, and then I'll go back and do a second. So you see I just need to input my email now. Let me go back, let me click on Family Island. This one has some steps I need to complete, so let's download the game. As you can see, it's legit in the App Store. It's a pretty highly rated game. So whilst that downloads, let me go back and see what I need to do for Family Island to my phone not loading. Okay, let's go back, sorry. There we go, sorry. So yeah, we need to download the game and complete level 8. So let me go ahead and I'll do both of these off camera guys, because I can see we're already almost at 5 minutes. So let me go ahead, I'll finish this survey and then also complete Family Island level 8, and I'll return and we'll see if it gives me my promo code. Rightio guys, so I'm back. I completed that survey at the top I chose, and then I also downloaded Family Island and made sure I completed level 8. So I just played the game. Took me 5 minutes or so, or maybe less than that even, to play the game and get to level 8. But you can choose any 2 of the tasks on this page and they're all completely free, so just choose any 2. They're going to vary depending on your country. So now I've gone back to my tabs. Now I can go back to this page and it's now verified me and released my code. So once you complete 2 of those tasks, go back to this page on speedycoupons.com and it's going to give you your personal, unique and exclusive $100 DoorDash code, which you can go ahead, copy and paste it into the DoorDash app, and it's just going to credit you $100. So you know how to get your codes now, guys. These promo codes for DoorDash are by far the best I've managed to find. I know the verification step is pretty annoying, but it's well worth it considering you're getting this much free stuff from DoorDash, free food or the account credit. So go to www.speedycoupons.com, get your DoorDash promo codes, and I really appreciate you watching the video. Leave a comment if you need any help. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.